All right, mamas, it's time to focus on you. This is Postpartum Body Fix, a 6-week low-impact program that will get your body back into pre-pregnancy form. We'll be doing strength workouts to tighten your abs and pelvic muscles, stretching workouts to help relieve back pain, and light cardio workouts to speed up that fat burn. Ready to glow? Put that little one down for a nap and let's get your body moving. You deserve this. First up, abdominal contractions. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Pelvic tilt. 3, 2, 1, go.
Listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word.
Halfway there.
So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. Some might say that I am just a
3,
bad girl.
2, 1, rest. Next up, leg slides to floor. 3, 2, 1, go.
Your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do.
Halfway there.
Like I do. Like I do. Like I
do. 3, 2, 1, rest. Switch sides. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up, double leg slides to floor. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up, floor march. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up, bent knee fallouts. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. knee rolls. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. Congratulations. Workout complete.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe so you can get the latest uploaded videos on our channel.